Hello students, today we are going to make a video of class 8 computers hands-on, a book of information and communication technology, class 8, chapter 3. Already 2 chapters. I have made videos for 2 chapters. List and tables in HTML. Discussion about lists and tables in HTML. But before discussing, this is my humble submission to my humble viewer. Subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj. Now let us start chapter 3. Lists and tables in HTML. Here lists. You know about list. What are lists? Activity. Page number 50 we are discussing. Here from group of 5 students, each group will make the following list with minimum 5 entries. After making the list, discuss the questions that follows. A list of names of all students in your group. Names of all students which is in your group. A list of games we all commonly play on our computers. A list of apps we use on mobiles. A list of tourist places you have visited in India. You know this thing and you can make answer of all these questions. Now next thing, is it possible to make a bulleted or a numbered list in OpenOffice Writer? If yes, which option is used? Select the paragraphs in the list and then click on the appropriate icon on the toolbar. What are the shortcut keys used? Copy Ctrl plus C, cut Ctrl plus X, paste Ctrl plus V. Name some software that can be used to type all such lists using the desktop laptop. Typing Master, GTA, Chrome, Mozilla Firefox. Mozilla Firefox. Firefox. Now we use bullets and numbering option in the word processes search to make our lists either numbered or bulleted. Similarly in HTML, for making a list of items to be displayed on our web page, we use list tag. Listen carefully. List tag can be used in the following ways. Here you are seeing this thing UL under this, and unordered list. UL means unordered list. Listen carefully. UL means unordered list. It means it is not in the order. This will list items using plain bullets. OL, an ordered list. Listen carefully. This is the important thing for this chapter. OL. UL means unordered list. OL means an ordered list. This will use different schemes of numbers to the list the items. In this chapter we will learn how to make an ordered and unordered list. This is the main theme. This is the main discussion point of this chapter. Name the 2 different kinds of lists shown below. Beetroot, like this there is some vegetable here also, but it is numbered 1 2 3 4. So this is unordered and these are in unordered. Main difference of this picture is these things are in unordered while these things are in ordered. Now next thing, unordered lists. An ordered list is a collection of related items that have no special order. This list is created by using UL tag. Each item in the list is marked with a bullet. Before every individual item we have to use LL tag. Different designs LI. Different designs of bullets can be used in a list. Default bullets style is disk. It is a container tag that is at the end of the list. We have to type UL. You have to type UL and enclosed. List item. Every item in the unordered list is marked using LI tag. Type the program given below and view the output. Here you have to type the program HTML head title like this. You have to and type, and you can do this in laboratory computer lab. Attributes of unordered list. Attributes. The type attribute specifies the design of the bullet to be used in the unordered list. Value description. Disk, a filled disk, circle an unfilled circle, a square a filled circle. Type the program using type attribute of UL tag and view the output. With the help of your friend, make a numbered list of different tags which will be used to design the web page shown below and write the program code for the same using unordered list. Here it defines pre-formatted text in an HTML document. You may write answer. I love my country because my soul India. This is a land of pictures, beauty, the crown of our pride, the land of diversity, the land of culture and style, and it fills me with pride. We are like different beads joined together by an invisible string. Our country's legacy, history, deep-rooted value system binds us as one. Main features. India is a nation with unity in diversity. It is a proponent of peace. India is a land of festivals. Numerous languages and cuisines are also unique to India. India is a democratic country. Today is 2nd October, and you know this is the birthday of two great personalities of India. These are, Mahatma Gandhi and second one is Lal Bahadur Shastri. They are great personalities of India, great leader of India. Now next thing, ordered list. About all these personalities. An ordered list is a collection of related items that are numbered. This list is created by using OL tag. Here O means ordered. Each item in the list is marked with a number alphabet. Before every individual item we have to use LI tag. Different styles of numbered can be used in a list. It is a container tag. It is also a container tag that is at the end of the list we have to type OL. List item. Every item in the orders list is marked using LI tag, similar to an unordered tag. Here type the two programs you have to type in computer lab. Write the tags which are different in the two programs. Here first is ordered and second is unordered UL. First is ordered and second is unordered. Attributes of ordered list. Attribute start type value number 1 description. This specifies the start value of an ordered list. Specify the kind of numbering to be used in the list. Hands on, type the following program. You have to type nesting. Now next thing, observe the image given below and answer the question that follow. This doll belongs to which country? Here this is a network. If you observe network, it shows like a network. But these dolls belongs to which country? Russia. What are they called? Matryoshka nesting. What is special about this doll? It shows network of mobile. In which year were they first made? Year 1980. Have you ever played with such a toy? No. In the program given below, notice how the tag title is placed inside the head tag while head and body are placed inside HTML. Did you find any similarity between the special dolls and the HTML program? If yes, explain. Like a network. You will observe network is like this. The image given above shows decorated wooden Russian dolls with a here written with a secret also called Matryoshka also written here. The secret behind these dolls is that every bigger doll can be placed on the top of the smaller doll on its right. Finally, only one biggest doll remains visible. That is why they are also called as that is why they are also called as nested dolls. Similarly, in an HTML program, each new set of tags can be nested inside other tags. Nested list. List can be nested, that is lists inside lists, meaning one list can be placed inside another list. Example, in the nested list given below we have two lists: software C++, QBasic Java, hardware, printers, plotters, scanners. Hands-on, type the program given using nested list and view the output. What is the output of this program? Activity. The number of the lead that you closed first 7. The number of the lead that you closed last 1. Now question: in case you forget to close lead number 3, can it be closed at the end without opening any other container? Yes, no. From the above activity, we comprehend that every container must be closed in the proper order. Similarly, in HTML, when we have to make a nested list, we must remember to close the inner tags first and the outer tags at the end. What things? You have to remember close the inner tags first and the outer tags at the end. You have to close these things. Write a program to get the following output: electronics, laptops, mobiles, Apple, Nokia, ASA, Lumia 520, Lumia 720. Tables. Now next thing, tables. You know about tables. OpenOffice, Calc, Microsoft Excel are few commonly used spreadsheet softwares. These software provide grid of rows and columns to enter data. We can also create draw table in Writer MS Word to represent data or information in tabular format. What differences did you find in the tables created using Writer and Calc? Activity you can do yourself. For presenting data in tabular manner, we draw rows and columns on paper. Similarly, we can create table in HTML by using table tag. You know this thing. This is in the closed. The table tag allows us to arrange data into rows and columns. It is a container tag. It is also a container tag. Example here given: HTML head title, HTML table title, head body table, body HTML. Table caption. Now next thing we want to discuss. Usually every table we prepare is given a caption heading to provide further clarity to the reader about the contents of the table. Similarly, we can give a caption to a table in HTML by using the caption tag. The caption tag is used to display the title for the table on the top. What is the work of table caption? Display the title. What things? Display the title. You should keep this thing in mind. Example here given. Now table row. Each row in a table is defined with tr tag. It is a container tag, hence it must end with tr. Now table heading. Table heading, column headings can be defined using ts tag. It is a container tag. It displays the headings in bold letters. You should read carefully. Now next thing, data, table data. Data inside the columns can be displayed using td tag. Table data. It is a container tag. td tag must be present inside the tr tag. Now activity here. Look at the three tables given below. Table 1, table 2 and table 3. Write as many differences as you can spot between table 1 and table 2. Table 2 is bolding. Also write the differences between the table 2 and table 3. Categorize style. Which table you feel is the best in appearance? Table 3. Make a list of the various formatting features you have used in Writer, MS Word and Calc, MS Excel with the help of your partner. Changing font style, size style, bolding, making the text appear more dense, darker than the rest. Darker, it is right, darker than the rest. Italicizing subscript and a strike through. Changing font color, understanding, placing a line at the bottom of a text. From the example, we understand that in order to make our tabular data presentable, we need to format the table. Attributes of table tag. Attribute value description. BG color. Color name describes the background color for a table. Border 0 or 1 specifies whether a border around the table is required or not. Cell padding pixels specify the space between the cell wall and the cell content. Cell spacing pixels specify the space between cells. Height width pixel percent specifies the height and width of a table. Using this, you can know height and width. Program is this program you should type and find the result. Now here border is an attribute of table tag and is used to put a border across all the cells. If border is not required, then we can use border 0. I have already discussed about cells in first video. You can watch cell padding and cell spacing. There are two important attributes called cell padding and cell spacing. Cell spacing specifies the space between cells, while cell padding represents the distance between cell borders and the content within a cell. Cell padding, content, cell spacing. Program you can do this. There is also a program you can do yourself. Now question. Observe the output carefully and write the difference between the output of two programs in the space provided below. Cell padding specifies the space between the border of table cell. Type the program. Here also there is a program you can type and you can find the result. We can set the table width and height using width and height attributes. It may be noted that we can specify the table width or height in terms of pixels or in terms of percentage of available screen area. Pixel, you know about this thing. Activity. Name the software used by you which allow you to change the row height and column width. Excel. Assessment activity. HTML program. You have to do yourself this program in lab. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.